So hi everybody, what's up and welcome to my nighttime skincare exfoliation routine. My name is Anna. I'm a mom of two boys, and today I'm going to be walking you through my exfoliation routine. If you see me talking to somebody, I'm talking to my boys because they did not allow me to do this in my bathroom, so we have to do this in their bathroom, and I'm going to be walking you through the process. So let's go. Because I'm doing chemical exfoliation, I usually love to start cleansing my face with this simple moisturizing face wash because it's a very gentle cleanser. It's amazing for those with sensitive or even oily or acne prone skin. It's 100% vegan and soap free, so I really love to use this as a base to take off my makeup or to just cleanse my face before I start using the most potent ingredients or products in this routine, that is my chemical exfoliant. So I really love this simple face wash. It's just amazing. It cleanses my skin very well, and all I'm doing now is just wiping this off with a clean face towel just to prep my face to the next step. When you're doing chemical exfoliation, you always have to ensure that your face is squeaky dry, because the chemical exfoliants, the actives, need a dry surface before they can work on. So now that I'm done cleansing my face, I'm just waiting a few minutes to allow my skin to dry completely before I move on to the next step. So our skin is squeaky clean and dry now. I'm moving on to the main step, which is using this Revolution multi-acid peeling solution. It has a combination of active ingredients that are amazing for exfoliating your skin and getting rid of all impurities, dead skin cells and all that. I'm just dropping some on my face. I'm not allowing the dropper to touch my face, by the way. I'm just dropping some around my face, avoiding underneath my eyes, because the skin underneath my eyes is very sensitive, but then I'm applying it to every other part of my face. And I'm going to leave this on my face for 10 minutes so that the serum or this peeling solution can work its magic on my skin. So our 10 minutes is up now, and I'm just going to be rinsing my face with some warm water, and I'm just going to wash and rinse or wash off the peeling solution off my face and every other place where it went, and I'm going to dry it off with a nice clean towel. It's really important to note that when you are exfoliating your face using chemical exfoliants, you have to do this in the evening because you're using active ingredients, very potent and strong ingredients. So it's best to do it in the evening so that your skin can breathe throughout the night and you get to enjoy the benefits. Now after that, I'm going to be using this simple facial toner, which is amazing. It's very gentle. It takes off the residue of the cleanser. It helps to hydrate my skin because I have done some exfoliation. There's some very important things on my skin that have left, so I need to hydrate my skin to ensure that my skin isn't too dry and isn't too oversensitive. So I love this toner because it is very simple, it's very gentle, it's very mild. It's like potent water, if that's how I should put it, like potent water you're putting on your skin just to give your skin that balance and just to replenish whatever that the skin may have lost after the exfoliation process or after the cleansing process. So if you guys have noticed, I am not extending all the products to the full part of my neck. I'm just doing like halfway through. That is because I've already taken my bath, but I did not wash my face and some parts of my neck as I was bathing because I knew I was coming to do this and I didn't want to wipe off what I've done with the moisturizer. So now moving on to the last step. Usually I would have used a serum like hyaluronic acid or niacinamide, but I do not have that, so I'm using this Revolution 5 Ceramides facial moisture cream that contains hyaluronic acid, and it's just an amazing balance to everything that I have used today. Hyaluronic acid is amazing for hydration. It's going to soothe my skin. It also helps the skin to stretch, and with that, it's going to fight against signs of aging like wrinkles and lines. That is amazing for the skin. I really love hyaluronic acid, and it also contains ceramides. Ceramides are basically how do I put it? They're like fatty acids, or that they are the OGs that protect our skin and prevents it from dryness, from infection. So I really love it. It's amazing for the skin. And I usually take a little on my pinky finger and I use it underneath my eye as my eye cream. Instead of going to buy an expensive eye cream, I just use this 5 ceramides with hyaluronic acid facial cream underneath my eye, and I use my pinky finger to just apply it around my eye, and it's an amazing eye cream. And doing this just helps to nourish my eyes, just makes my eyes look less tired, because trust me, sometimes it really looks tired. So I give it a nice massage and then I'm done, and whatever is left I just apply it on the rest of my face. So if you don't know, our hands also show signs of aging, and for my hand cream I love to use this particular lotion, the Ceramides, the 5 Ceramides moisture cream with hyaluronic acid for my hands. When I'm done using it on my face and then my neck, I just squirt a little into my palms and then I use them on my hands, and it's just an amazing hand cream. So this is basically it for my skincare routine. Tomorrow morning I'm going to be stepping out with sunscreen, because every time we do exfoliation, especially chemical exfoliation, you have to remember to wear a sunscreen. So these are the product that I use. It's amazing. I'm now going back to continue my duties as a mom, to put my kids to sleep, but then our routine is over. It is over in less than 5 minutes and my skin feels amazing, supple and toned. So if you guys enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Give me a massive thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.